Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zac.
Hello, Zac. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about talking about your weekend today.
That's a great topic, Zoe. Weekends are simple and fun to talk about.
Yes, everyone can talk about their weekend, even beginners. It is a good way to practice English.
Okay, let us start slowly. First, tell me, how was your weekend, Zoe?
My weekend was good. It was quiet and warm. On Saturday, I slept late. I made coffee. I read a book. On Sunday, I met my friend. We walked in the park. It was nice.
That sounds relaxing. I also had a calm weekend. On Saturday, I cleaned my room. I found old photos. I smiled a lot. On Sunday, I cooked dinner for my family. I made pasta. Everyone liked it.
Yum. Pasta is easy and tasty. Do you like to cook, Zac?
Yes, I like to cook simple food. I like to try small recipes. It helps me relax. And when I cook, I practice counting and following steps in English. Step 1, chop vegetables. Step 2, heat oil. Step 3, mix and cook.
That is a nice learning trick, cooking and speaking at the same time. The learners can repeat those steps. Repeat after us. Step 1, chop vegetables. Step 2, heat oil. Step 3, mix and cook.
Great. Now we will slow down and make the talk a little longer. We will tell small stories about our weekend. This helps you learn words and phrases like slept late, met a friend, walked in the park, cleaned my room, and cooked dinner.
Okay, I will tell a story about Saturday. I slept late because I watched a movie. The movie was about a girl and her dog. The dog was funny. I laughed a lot. Then I had breakfast. I ate toast and eggs. Then I read a chapter of my book. I felt happy.
What movie did you watch?
It was a simple movie, not a big film. It was a family movie. The acting was warm. The dog made small jokes. Sometimes I cried a little, in a good way.
Nice. Movies are a good weekend idea. I watched a short documentary about music on Saturday. It talked about old songs. It showed musicians playing in small rooms. I liked the music. I played a song on my phone and hummed. Music can change your mood.
True. On Sunday, my friend and I walked in the park. The trees had yellow leaves. The air was cool. We talked about work and small things. We sat on a bench. We drank tea from a thermos. It was peaceful.
That sounds perfect. Sometimes small things make a weekend very good. Small talks, warm tea, a walk. These are simple words, but they help you speak English.
Yes. Now, let us teach some useful phrases to talk about the weekend. We will say the phrase, then we will use it in a sentence, and then you can repeat.
Phrase 1. I slept in. This means you woke up later than usual. Example, I slept in on Saturday because I was very tired. Repeat, I slept in.
Phrase 2. I ran errands. This means you did small tasks like grocery shopping or paying bills. Example, on Sunday, I ran errands. I bought milk and bread. Repeat, I ran errands.
Phrase 3. I hung out with friends. This is casual talk for spending time with friends. Example, I hung out with friends at the cafe. Repeat, I hung out with friends.
Phrase 4. I relaxed at home. Example, I relaxed at home and watched TV. Repeat, I relaxed at home.
Phrase 5. I tried something new. This is good for learning. Example, I tried something new. I baked cookies. Repeat, I tried something new.
Nice. Practice these phrases. Say them slowly and clearly. You can use them in your own sentences. Try now. Say, "This weekend, I slept in and relaxed at home."
Now let us do a short role play. We will act like friends talking on Monday morning about the weekend. Listen and repeat the lines.
Hi, Zac. How was your weekend?
Hi, Zoe. It was good. I slept in on Saturday and cooked pasta on Sunday. You?
I watched a movie and walked in the park. It was peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Did you meet anyone?
Yes, I met my friend Sarah. We had tea and talked for an hour.
Nice. What movie did you watch?
A family movie about a dog. It was funny and sweet.
Great. Let us get coffee now and start the week.
Role play 2. You are talking to a coworker, small and clear.
Hey, how was your weekend?
It was busy. I ran errands and cleaned my house. I also studied English for an hour.
That's productive. What did you study?
I practiced speaking and learned new words. It felt good. These short role plays help you speak in real life. When you talk, keep your sentences simple. Use present and past tenses for the weekend, like I went, I saw, I ate, I met.
Now we will share little tips on how to practice English using your weekend. These are small and easy.
Tip 1. Tell a short story about your weekend to a friend. 1 or 2 sentences is fine. Example, I walked in the park and drank tea. You can do this every Monday.
Tip 2. Write 3 sentences about your weekend in a notebook. Keep it simple. Example, I slept late, I cooked lunch, I read a book.
Tip 3. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Play it back. Listen to your voice. Do this once a week. It helps you build confidence.
Tip 4. Learn and use 5 new words from your weekend. For example, if you walked in a park, learn bench, path, leaf, thermos, squirrel.
Yes. Now we will give a longer story from each of us. Long but simple. Listen carefully.
Okay, I will tell a longer story about my Sunday. Last Sunday, I woke up early. I made coffee and sat on my balcony. The sky was blue and the birds were singing. I read some news. Then my sister called. She asked, "Do you want to come to lunch?" I said yes. I took a bus. The bus ride was slow. I looked out the window and saw children playing. At lunch, we ate rice, fish, and salad. My nephew was there. He is 4 years old. He laughed a lot. He played with a toy car. After lunch, we walked to a small shop and bought flowers for our mother. The flowers were pink and white. When I came home, I felt happy and a little tired. I cooked a small dinner and watched the sunset. It was a good day.
That was beautiful, Zac. Now I will tell a longer story. On Saturday morning, I planned to go to the farmer's market, but it rained. I was a little sad because I wanted fresh fruit. Then I decided to bake cookies at home. I looked at a recipe on my phone. The recipe was easy. I mixed flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. I sang a song while I mixed. The cookies smelled nice. While baking, my neighbor came by. She asked if she could have 1 cookie. I said yes. We ate cookies and drank hot chocolate. We talked about small things, family, work, and the weather. The rain stopped. Later, I put on my raincoat and walked to the park. The air smelled fresh. I saw a rainbow. I sat on a bench and thought about simple joys. Then I went home and read a small book. I went to bed feeling calm.
Lovely. See how small events make a good story? You can make a long story from short events. Start with 1 or 2 sentences, then add details.
Now, we will teach some useful time expressions for talking about the weekend.
On Saturday. On Sunday. this weekend, last weekend, next weekend, over the weekend. Example, on Saturday, I cleaned the house. Repeat, on Saturday.
In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. Example, in the morning, I had coffee. Repeat, in the morning.
Early, late, all day, for a while. Example, I slept late. Repeat, I slept late.
Now we will do a listening practice. I will say short statements, and you decide if they are true or false for your weekend. Say true or false.
Listening sentence 1. I went to the cinema this weekend. Was that true for you? If yes, say true. If no, say false.
Listening sentence 2. I cooked at home this weekend. True or false?
Listening sentence 3. I met a friend this weekend. True or false?
Listening sentence 4. I worked the whole weekend. True or false?
Good. Now we will teach small questions you can ask friends. These are easy and polite.
Question 1. How was your weekend? Simple and useful.
Question 2. What did you do this weekend? More detailed.
Question 3. Did you go anywhere? Yes or no question.
Question 4. Did you try anything new? This invites stories.
Role play 3. You are meeting a new friend on Monday.
Hi, I'm Zac. How are you?
Hello, Zac. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How was your weekend?
It was nice. I visited my cousin and we made pizza. How about you?
I relaxed at home and read a book. Have you ever made pizza at home?
Yes, but only once. It was fun.
Nice. Now a short practice.